أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear students, we were discussing first chapter from first year, Barton Burton. In my previous meeting, we translated for 4 pages. Today we will translate its 5th page. Dear students, in my last meeting, I give you an assignment related to persons and their cases. First of all, I teach you about the personal pronouns chart, and after that, we learn their cases. And it was the task given by me to you that you will have to find out the persons. What kind of person is this, and what was the case of this person in the sentence. For example, I work in a college. So I is the performer of action in this statement. Dear students, it's very clear. If you are able to see the first sentence that has been written on the whiteboard, you can see I work in a college. I is the performer of action. So I is in nominative case, whereas as well as its person is concerned, it's first person. So there were almost 26 words which I wrote in personal pronouns chart in different cases. There are 3 persons: first person, second person, and third person. So I told you should be fully aware about the persons. What is meant by first person, what is meant by second person, and what is meant by third person. After that, I wrote there 3 cases. The first one was nominative case, second one was accusative case, and the third one was possessive case. Nominative case means subjective case, and accusative case means objective case, and possessive case means genitive case. What is genitive case? It shows ownership of the concerned person. For example, I say, this is my marker, this is my marker. So word my shows my ownership, it is mine. Let's see. Now I have given here some examples for you so that it will be easy for you and you can understand these elements or these concepts in your mind. Rather, if you further find some confusion about my lecture, so you can discuss it during my live conversation which I performed after your listening to the lecture. Dear students, see the word I is in nominative case because I work in a college. So I is the worker in this statement. That is the performer of action. And I is the first person. Let's see the next sentence. Where do you live? Where do you live? You is in nominative case and you is in second person. You is the second person, sorry. You is the second person. I told you and I defined the persons before you. The person who speaks himself is called the first person. And the person who is being addressed by the speaker is called the second person. So let's see. Where do you live? You is the performer of action in this statement. So you is in nominative case, whereas you is the second person. I think in second statement I have given you the concept how to make the new sentences from these pronouns which has been written in the pronouns personal chart. Is it clear? Let's read the next sentence. He likes your wisdom. he likes your wisdom. Dear students, he is the performer of action in this statement. He. So he is in nominative case. That means he is the subject of this sentence and he is in nominative case. And what is the person? It is third person. Jo is the second person and it is in possessive case. That shows the genitive situation of the wisdom. Dear students, see the next sentence that has been written here. She loves her mother. She loves her mother. She is the lover. So she is the performer of action and that is in nominative case and it belongs to third person. Her is the possessive case and it belongs to third person. I told you as well as the mother is concerned, it's third person and it's the objective or accusative case. See the last statement that has been given on the whiteboard. He is my brother. He is in nominative case and my is the possessive case of first person, whereas he belongs to third person. I like him very much. He is my brother. I like him very much. So I is the nominative case, whereas him is the accusative case and it's third person. Him is the third person. I think you have understood all my concepts which I want to give you through these examples. So dear students, I teach you personal pronouns chart in my previous video. You can see my previous lecture and you will have to make a sentence against each of the word that has been given in the personal pronouns. It means that you have to prepare all those sentences through the words that has been written in personal pronouns chart. I, he, us, and me, my, mine, ours, you, yours, yours. Okay? So there are three cases. I have given complete detail in my previous video. So this was the time that is required me from you. You will have to prepare your assignment under this structure. If you are not clear, you can raise your questions after my lecture. So let's see on the page number 5, so that you may learn the translation of button. पंजाबी में इसको बटन बोलते हैं, लेकिन आप इसको बटन. The point is, नुक्ता ये है, मसला ये है, नार्मा broken, नार्मा ने मुदाखलत की. If it's someone you have never seen, अगर ये एक ऐसा बंदा है you have never seen, जिसको आपने कभी देखा ही नहीं in your life, अपनी जिंदगी में, and never will see, और कभी देखेंगे भी नहीं. Someone whose death you don't even have to know, कोई ऐसा इंसान जिसकी मौत के बारे में आप जानते तक नहीं हो. You still wouldn't push the button, क्या आप अभी भी बटन को नहीं दबाओगे. Arthur stared at her. Arthur ने stared at her, उसको गौर से देखा. Apart घबराहट से, you mean you would, इसका मतलब है कि तुम ये बटन को दबा दोगे. $50,000 आर्थर $50,000 की बात है. What has the amount, क्या रकम है? $50,000, $50,000. आर्थर, नॉर्मा इंटरप्रेट, नॉर्मा ने मुदाखलत की. A chance to take that trip to Europe, एक मौका है यूरोप की तरफ सफ़र करने का. We always talk about, जिसके बारे में हमने हमेशा बात की है. नॉर्मा नो, नॉर्मा ये सही तरीका नहीं है। नॉर्मा कहती है चांस टू बाय दैट कॉटेज ऑन द आइलैंड, एक मौका है कि हम खरीद सकें छोटा सा प्यारा सा घर ऑन दी आइलैंड, जजीरे पर। नॉर्मा नो, नॉर्मा ये अच्छा तरीका नहीं है। हिज फेस वाज वाइट, उसका रंग फर्क पड़ गया। शी शडर्ड ऑल राइट, शी शडर्ड एक खौफ की लहर उसने सरार कर दी। ऑल राइट टेक इट इजी, इसको आसान लो। शी सेड, उसने कहा, व्हाई आर यू गेटिंग सो अपसेट, आप इतना ज़्यादा परेशान क्यों हो रहे हो? इट्स ओनली टॉक, ये तो सिर्फ गुफ्तगू है। आफ्टर डिनर, शाम के खाने के बाद, आर्थर वेंट इनटू द लिविंग रूम, आर्थर जो है वो रहायशी कमरे में गया। बिफोर ही लेफ्ट द टेबल, इससे पहले कि वो टेबल को छोड़ता, ही सेड, उसने कहा, आई वुड रादर नॉट डिस्कस इट एनीमोर, मैं अब इसको मज़ीद ज़ेर बहस नहीं लाऊंगा। इफ़ यू डोंट माइंड, प्लीज़ अगर आप बुरा महसूस मत ना करें तो। नॉर्मा शराब, नॉर्मा ने कंधे झुकाए। फाइन विद मी, ठीक है, कोई मसला नहीं है। शी गॉट अप अर्लियर, वो सुबह सवेरे सवेरे उठी। देन विलियम मामूल से हट गई, यानी मामूल में इतनी जल्दी उठती नहीं थी, मामूल की निस्बतन वो ज़्यादा जल्दी उठी। टू मेक पैनकेक्स, ताकि वो मीठे केक बनाए, एग्स अंडे बनाए, एंड टी और चाय बनाए। फॉर आर्थर्स ब्रेकफास्ट, आर्थर के नाश्ते के लिए। व्हाट्स द ओकेजन, क्या मौका है? He asked with a smile, उसने एक मुस्कुराहट के साथ कहा। No occasion, कोई मौका नहीं। नॉर्मा looked offended, नॉर्मा गुस्से में दिखाई दी। I wanted to do it, मैं ये करना चाहती थी। That's all, बस इसीलिए कर लिया मैंने। Good, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत खूब। He said, उसने कहा, I'm glad you did, मैं खुश हूँ कि आपने ऐसा किया। She refilled his cup, उसने अपने चाय के कप को दोबारा से भर दिया। Wanted to show you, मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती थी। I'm not, कि मैं नहीं हूँ। She shrugged, उसने कंधे उचकाए। Not what, क्या नहीं हो? Selfish fools, did I say you were, क्या मैंने कहा कि आप खुदगर्ज थे? Well, हाँ, खूब। She gestured vaguely, उसने मुबहम अंदाज में इशारा दिया। Last night, पिछली रात। आर्थर didn't speak, आर्थर ने कुछ नहीं बोला। उसने इशारा कर कहा कि पिछली रात आपका तो यही मतलब था कि you don't want to talk about the button unit, you don't want to push the button unit, and I'm selfish that I want to get $50,000. So your mean, it was your meant. You didn't say me directly selfish, but this was the meaning of your conversation. This was the blame that Norma put on her husband. Arthur didn't speak. Arthur ने ये जब सारी बातें सुनी तो वो कुछ नहीं बोला। All that talk about button, ये सारी गुफ्तगू बटन के बारे में। Norma said, Norma ने कहा, I think you well misunderstood me. मैं ख्याल करता हूँ कि आपने मुझे गलत तस्वीर किया। In what way, किस तरह से? His voice was guarded, उसकी आवाज़ जो थी वो मुदाफ़ियाना हो गई। I think you felt, मेरा ख्याल है, वो कहने लगी कि मैंने समझा कि आपने मुझे सेल्फिश या फूलगर्ज समझा है। In what way, तो वो पूछता है किस तरह मैंने समझा है। His voice was guarded, उसकी आवाज़ जो थी मुदाफ़ियाना हो गई, यानी मुदाफ़ियत में आ गई। I think you felt, मैं ख्याल करता हूँ, you felt, कि आपने महसूस किया। मैं ख्याल करती हूँ, you felt, कि आपने महसूस किया। She gestured again, उसने दोबारा से इशारा दिया। That I was only thinking of myself, कि मैं सिर्फ अपनी ही ज़ात के बारे में सोच रही थी। ओह, अच्छा। I wasn't, मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं सोचा नार्मा। Well, I wasn't, मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं सोचा। When I talked about Europe, नार्मा कहती है जब मैंने बात की थी यूरोप के बारे so involved in this. नाना हम इस मसले में इतना क्यों फंसे हुए हैं? आई एम नॉट इन्वॉल्व एट ऑल, मैं बिल्कुल इसमें इंडल्ज नहीं हूँ, मैं बिल्कुल इसमें जो है मशगूल नहीं हूँ. उसमें एक लर्जा खेज सांस ली. आई एम सिंपली ट्राइंग, मैं तो सिर्फ सादगी से कोशिश कर रही हूँ. टू इंडिकेट के बता सकूँ वट क्या. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, our page has been completed. Inshallah, in my next lecture we will discuss this story's last page, or inshallah this will be ended, translation will be ended of this story in my next lecture. I hope that you are preparing all these kind of translation meanings, and I think you are very responsible students, and I hope you will not ignore your work, your task. So thank you very much. These were the assignments. I would like to recapitulate my lecture. First I talked about person and the basics. I told you about the personal pronouns chart that has been written in my previous meeting. Then I have put here some examples here. I told you I belong to nominative case and I belong to I is related to first person, or where you is the second person and you in second example is in nominative or subjective case. He likes your wisdom, वो आपकी दानिशमंदी को पसंद करता है. So he is in subjective case and he is the third person. Your is the possessive case, मलकियती हालत है. your जो है, your wisdom तुम्हारी दानिशमंदी, तो your जो है that is the possessive or genitive case and it belongs to second person. Let's see the next example. She loves her mother. She is the third person and it's nominative case, and her is the possessive case and it's also third person. I told you if you want to judge about mother is the third person and mother is in objective case, but on board I have not mentioned this. He is my brother. He is my brother. He is in the nominative case and he is the third person. My possessive case and first person. I nominative case and I is in the first person. Him. Accusative case. I like him. So him is the receiver of his liking. So him is the accusative case and him belongs to third person's accusative case. Thank you very much. This was a recapitulation. Then I translated. I hope you will have got all my points. And students, if you find any kind of difficulty, you can consult it with me. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.